Hello everyone and welcome to Farm Flint. Today, come make lemon blueberry cashew cream with me. This is a special treat that you can have for breakfast, lunch, dessert, or as a snack any time of day. So rather if you're using a crock pot or a pot on the stove, set to low heat and add 2 cups of raw cashews, 10 dates, and a cup of blueberries. I'm using freeze-dried, but you can use fresh, and add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, and to that 3 cups of distilled water. Now, if you're using fresh blueberries, use about a cup to a cup and a half of distilled water and cover for 2 hours. After 2 hours, everything should be cooked very well at this point, but this is just a halfway point. To this, we're going to be adding a few more ingredients. We're going to be adding a cup of Jamaican sea moss gel. This is going to help to make the recipe nice and creamy. And so to that, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and also a teaspoon of lemon flavor, which is naturally made with organic sunflower oil and organic lemon oil. But we're not going to stop with the lemon flavor at that point. We're going to use lemon zest, and we're also going to add in some lemon juice. Now I'm using organic lemon just to kind of stray away from any chemical pesticides. So using the skin should be safe. So we're going to squeeze that juice in, straining out the seeds, and then we're going to give this a good mix. From here, we're going to cover for another 2 hours. From there, we'll turn it off and let it chill. And at that point, we can begin to blend it. Now, it's still a bit warm, so that shouldn't be a problem with this blender cup that I'm using. But I did notice I was having an issue with blending, that it wasn't quite blending all the way through. And this is where I think that a standing blender would have been better than this bullet style blender. But I'm living and I'm learning, and I'm also using what I have. So I did have to break this down to 2 smaller cups so that it could blend thoroughly. And as you can see, it is the consistency that I most definitely wanted. So from there, I'm going to place these in 8-ounce mason jars. I did have a little bit left over, and so I got roughly 3.5 jars of this lemon blueberry deliciousness. And then I'm going to just wait a few hours. I actually waited overnight, but 4 hours should be good. And so you can take a look. It is so extra creamy, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. And look how it looks like mousse. It is so soft and so creamy. It's like eating a lemon blueberry cloud. I think you'll really like this recipe. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Enjoy.